Welcome back. Nobody likes feeling stuck. Please know that you're not alone. Whether you're in a job that you just can't stand, or you're in a relationship that you really need out of, or you just need a physical change, or you need to move, whatever it is, you're not alone. And if you want to do this with me today, all you have to do is just tap where I tap, say what I say. Let's see if we can get out of that stuck feeling. How do you feel right now on a scale of 1 to 10? 10 being I feel so stuck, I'm losing my mind. 0 being I'm not stuck at all. So that we can see how we feel afterwards. So here we go. I take responsibility for my own well-being. I feel so stuck right now. And I love myself. I am feeling so stuck right now. And I honor myself. I'm feeling so stuck right now. And I deeply love, honor, and accept myself. Man, do I feel stuck. This is crazy challenging for me right now. I hate the way that it feels. This being stuck is like Groundhog Day over and over again. And I don't feel like I can take it anymore. So I'm choosing with this breath. I'm choosing in this moment right here, right now, to accept change. I hate the way it feels to be stuck. I hate feeling like I've hit a wall. I don't like that desperation, like I have no options. All of the feelings that come along with this are just weighing me down. And I choose to release that right now. I know it's a heavy burden. That's why I'm here doing this. But if I'm already this low, certainly I can go up from here. And if my mind has gotten stuck on this negativity, these patterns stuck thinking about the worst case scenario, feeling stuck as if I don't have any other options, then what would it hurt for me to try the opposite? I've got nothing to lose, so I'm going to try something new right now. I'm going to start choosing to love what I'm doing. And I know part of that feels like resistance because it doesn't feel natural. But like I said, something's got to change. So I'm choosing to be unstuck right now. I'm choosing to turn 180 degrees right now. And all the words that I've been saying, and all the thoughts that I've been feeling about this situation, I'm I'm going to do the opposite. Because I'm expecting the opposite result, right? And whatever I've been thinking and feeling hasn't been working. And that doesn't mean there's something wrong with me, not at all. It just means I need to change things up. So I'm letting go of that right now. Letting go of those negative spiraling words and thoughts. Replacing that negativity with positivity. I'm not saying that my situation might not be ideal, but I'm going to do what's going to help me. And I got to take a step forward in a positive direction if I want to get out of this. So to get unstuck, I'm starting right now. And I'm going to give myself credit for noticing the small changes that I'm making already. Maybe I'll start saying that I love my life. Maybe I'll make a list of 10 things that I'm grateful for, just to focus on those things. Whatever it is, my mind is going to help me come up with new ideas to deal with this situation. And even though part of me might resist this, I'm accepting the change because I need the change. And all of that residual feeling stuck, I'm letting that go right now. Right now, I'm wiping that slate clean. Right now, I'm making room for light. I'm allowing room in my mind and in my life to open doors of opportunity that I just wasn't seeing. And maybe I wasn't seeing them because I was so stuck on how bad things are. But I'm not going to beat myself up for these thoughts. Because they are just thoughts and they can be changed. So letting go of that last little bit of being stuck right now. Inside and out. I'm starting to feel like a new person. Because I deserve peace. I want you to rate on a scale of 1 to 10 how you feel right now. Maybe these thoughts aren't all new, but maybe you have a sense of lightness. Maybe you feel, maybe you feel like there is a new perspective, like there is hope for a new perspective. And that's all you need, is just that tiny bit to pivot from where you're at, to get you going in a different direction. Whatever you're doing, whatever you've been thinking, that spiraling in your mind of that negativity, I call that the downward spiral. All you have to do is put the brakes on it, which takes a sec, and reverse it. And I promise you, if you put effort into this, you will feel the momentum of the effort that you put into it. And you'll start to see all this little stuff that is working in your favor. And you start to realize, that worked out, that worked out. I made it to work okay today. I'm alive, I can swallow, I have fresh drinking water. You get the gist, I hope. I hope that you're feeling better. If you need to repeat this video or view other tapping videos on getting unstuck or changing your perspective, please do so. I hope you have a great day.